Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to start Windows operating system. In the last class, we are talking about the operating system in a computer system and also of the softwares, application softwares. Okay, so now we are talking or reading about the today Windows operating system, that is also a system software. So let's start. In Windows operating system, when you start a computer, when you purchase a computer, you have to install system software in that to activate your all the hardware devices. Okay, so there are different types of operating systems, but nowadays the operating systems are running are Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 10. The recent operating system of Windows, a recent version of Windows is 10, Windows 10. This one is also you can install, but now it is the new version of Windows. Okay, so we are today discuss about the Windows 7. So not very variant, some variants are there, some updates are available from one version to different version, not much variants are there. It gives some frequent uses of the commands. Okay, so in Windows 7, in your desktop, the screen, the first screen you looking of a computer is called the desktop. So here, after installing the Windows 7, the first screen you found, and here some picture is there, that is called recycle bin. That is called recycle bin. Only one application is you found here. The internal application it is come with the Windows 7 version operating system. Okay. So here in the desktop you can add different types of programs, different applications, like another application, one more application. All these applications have small pictures. All these applications have small pictures. You found some pictures in the desktop. These small pictures are called icon. These small pictures are called icon. These icons it may be a program, it may be a folder, it may be a file. Okay. So these are the icons of a small pictures you found on the desktop are the icons, or these are belongs to some programs, may it be a folder, may it be a file. Okay, so these are called icons, small pictures. So in the first screen you found is the only icon of recycle bin. What is recycle bin? This is a dustbin. This is a dustbin where we drop our waste materials in our houses. We have, okay. So here also from all the deleted files, folders that you delete from your computer are directly go to the recycle bin. It's stored in the recycle bin. Okay. So just be knowledge about recycle bin also. We can restore the files also from the recycle bin. Okay. So now in Windows 7 we have to add some icons. We need to add some icons of computer, of networks, or any other programs you installed in your computer. So what to do is that So there are some desktop operations it called. One is adding icon on the desktop and another one is adding shortcut on the desktop. Icon and shortcut. Okay, these two operations we do on the desktop frequently. Okay, so first adding icons on the desktop. Adding icons on the desktop. The first step is have to right click on the desktop on the empty space of desktop. Okay, and okay, so if we want to add icon on the desktop, here are some steps that are, one is right click on the empty space of desktop. Okay, right click on the empty space. This is the desktop you found, and just clean it. Okay, these are the empty spaces you found in the desktop where you have to right click your mouse. There is two buttons in your mouse, one is left and another is right, so you have to click right. Okay, so when you clicking on the right there is a drop down menu appear in your screen. Some drop down menus are appear where you can found one option called personalize. Okay, so in personalize, when you are clicking on the personalize option, there is another window appear. This one is closed and another window dialog box that is called appear. Another dialog box will appear. That dialog box is called the personalized windows or personalized dialog box. Okay, where some options are there and buttons are also there, but you have to select a button that is called desktop icon. Change desktop icon. Okay, here you found it is in there are two pane in this window. There are two pane. In the left pane you found change desktop icons option. Okay, so you have to click on the change desktop icon options. Next, when you are clicking on this option, you are going through a new box. There is another box will reopen that is called the desktop icon setting box. Desktop icon setting box, this one, desktop icon setting, named one window or box is appear. Okay, so here you found some options just like one checkbox and computer, checkbox and network. So these like options you found, and you have to check these options like right mark, it appear on the checkbox. Okay, the right mark will appear on the checkboxes, and when you are clicking on these two checkboxes, after that there is some buttons in the below. Here it is apply. there is an apply button at that place, and one button is there, OK. One button, another button is there, OK. So you have to click on the apply first, and after that click on the OK. Okay, so all these steps you completed. After that you are found the icons of computer and another icon of network on your desktop. This one is the right cycle bin, which is come after your installation of the Windows operating system, that is 7. Okay, so these are the steps for adding icons on the steps on the desktop. Okay, the next one is adding shortcut icon on the desktop. Apart from your first method, that is the adding of icons, apart from that we can add shortcut icon. What is shortcut icon? It is also an icon, or it is also a icon, means that is a program, file, folder, all these. But here in the icon there is an arrow mark. There is an arrow mark, just like this. Here it is an icon. Okay, you found here, and this like arrow mark you found like this. Okay, this like structure you found on the desktop or with the icon. Icon do not have the arrow mark, but in the shortcut icon there is an arrow mark in the left bottom corner. In the left bottom corner. Okay, so we can if you want to open a program just like Notepad, you want to open a program Notepad, so what you have to do, first you have to go to start button, then here all programs is there, all program is there. Okay, within that accessories, is there. So within the accessories, okay, within the accessories Notepad is there. After going, first you have to go start button, again all program, accessories, and then you can found the Notepad there. Okay, and there you have to click to open the Notepad program. But if you add the icon, shortcut icon, you can add the shortcut icon of Notepad, you can add the shortcut icon of Notepad on the desktop. So whenever you require a Notepad program or you want to do something in the Notepad program, then you directly click on the shortcut icon of the Notepad and you do your task. Okay, so how to add shortcut on the desktop? Okay, so here is some steps, simple steps. It is, first you have to go to the start button, okay, in the start button we have to go to the all program, within that we have accessories, within that Notepad is there. Okay, so first we have to go Notepad. Second, on Notepad we have to click right button of the mouse on the Notepad, right click on the notepad. Okay, right click on the notepad. Okay, here after right clicking, some menus are appear, that is called the sub menu. So in the sub menu you found a option called send to. You found a option called send to. So select send to. When you go move your mouse or cursor to the send to option, here another menus are appear. Okay, on that menu you can found desktop and any other places you want to send the program. Okay, you can choose another place where you want to send the program. So here we want to send the program to the desktop. So just send to desktop we have to choose. Send to desktop we have to choose. Okay, and it creates a shortcut will create on the desktop. So these only the steps you required to do to add a shortcut icon on your desktop. Okay, so go through this, practice this. Okay.